Hey everyone, so I'm pretty sure we all know Artfully Rude. He's the guy that makes sculptures. I was really inspired by him that I decided to make my own. So I'm going to show you all how to make the excavator. So this is really good. It really does work. So what I'm about to do, I'm just about to break this apart so I can rebuild it for y'all. So let's get to it. Alright, let's start this thing over. Hey guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. And if you guys want to know how I did it, just click one of these inspirations. And if y'all want to see our other videos, click up there.